something last night. I was doing the giveaway for this amazing, cute, cool, kind of funky, boho looking cat. His name is Kaleidoscope, as you can see here. And I purchased him as a giveaway. I just thought he was cool, and because I'm a cat, I thought you guys might get a kick out of this. I love the design of this. It's just a really cute little cat. But anyway, if you purchased something from me last night, I did write your name down and put it in here for the drawing. I just forgot to do it, so forgive me, guys. I had a lot of fun last night. We went a little bit later than normal, and it just completely slipped my mind by the end of the sale, so I apologize. And thanks to everyone who was there, especially those of you that stayed for the duration. We sure had a lot of fun last night, a lot of giggles, and yeah, well, on with the drawing. So everyone who bought something, their name is in here. I'm not looking, I promise. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Julia, you are the winner of Kaleidoscope. I hope that you keep this cat maybe on your desk or somewhere, and you can think of me whenever you look at it. Anyway, thank you, Julia. I appreciate it, and I know you're going to love that Vaseline glass you bought yesterday, too. Okay, guys, thank you. And again, I apologize for not doing the drawing live. Hope everybody's having a good Thursday. Love you guys. Bye.